today I managed to record. It's been a while. I've been traveling a lot, so it's the first time I recorded in quite some time. I caught a good one. I had a total of four trades. I only caught two on video, but I'll show you my stats at the end of the day on TradeSella, and you'll see that I caught four trades today and I made a profit of about $1,250. So to start off here, all right. So start off here, we're gonna go over the intern idea for today. As you can see here, my boy Adam wrote it up. A lot of us like the same setup. So the way he wrote it up was Tesla looking for Momo into the double top we made yesterday and today pre-market at 305. So that's our first entry right here. 305 is our first entry if we set up well. And then into that, if the Momo's there with 306 as yesterday's high, and then ultimately break up 307 from 2 days ago for me. I wanted 305 into 306 if the Momo's there, because especially if it's early on, first few candles or first 15 minutes, I really like that. I like the momentum. Usually a lot more volume there, more volatile. And then I personally wanted to take 307 as a separate trade, and which I do. And I just didn't record that one, but you'll see on my TradeZella stats when I show you at the end of the video what I made for the day. Then you'll see that I actually played that 307. But let's go ahead and press play here. We'll press play here, and as you can see here, what's going on. This is NQ level 2 time and sales. For the people that don't know, this is the 1 minute chart on Tesla here. You can see that NQ here has a downtrend that I wrote that I drew up from pre-market, and this was trying to break it out here. For the moment, Tesla's at 304 here, and let's play it out.
Entry at the moment, and paying kind of well.
So you'll hear here a couple interns were in early. I'm not, just because I'm watching this, but I feel like if this breaks their early entry, it's fire. It's a really good early entry. It's a really good early entry. As you can see, it had a intraday level intraday resistance here with a huge wick from the downside. So it's a lot stronger than NQ. And if all this needs is NQ to break this downtrend, and it's off to the moon, as some people like to call it.
Same here.
I'm up 10% on this right now. This is going stupid. I like the strength it has, and I like NQ and ES pushing here now.
NQ needs to get above 12,150.
And what he calls out is this. It's this level of resistance here, and not only that, it's the break of this downtrend. So it's always good to keep that in mind. See me screenshot this, send it to the chat, let them know what I'm looking at. Yeah, that's the update right there. So you can see here, it's starting. The volume's starting to pick up here. It's got a little wiki there, but buyer stepped right back in. Didn't let this go all the way red. It was almost green to red, but they stepped right back in. Look at what NQ is trying to do here. So like I said, I wasn't in yet earlier, but now look, my cursor's hovering over the buy market here. I'm looking to get in with 10 contracts. Now all we need is NQ to really for the buyers to really step in here. This is already strong. Looks to me like it wants to go ahead and try to break this downtrend here. Let's play it some more. Boom. I'm in now.
It has a 30-minute trend.
You see here
right at
my profit and loss for the play.
I'm up a nice.
If we get above that, we're gone.
But you're watching Q respecting that downtrend again. It's still respecting that. This is very strong though.
Just need NQ to complement it here.
Yeah, look at this U-turn on ES.
So I never really went red there.
Yeah, if we
Tesla's
get
still kind of holding up.
if we get a push
It is holding up.
on NQ or ES,
Even though it looked like a red to green, a wick from the top. I mean a green to red and a wick from the top. NQ is dropping hard. All we need is NQ to to
I'm looking
really
at
take
305
off here and
Volvo
really
Tesla.
buyers for buyers to step in. Look at that.
Look at those
A
pushes. These are so aggressive
it's-
on Tesla.
It is very aggressive.
Um,
It is very aggressive. And as you can hear Norge say he's in. He got in at 304.84. But look at this. Look where NQ's at. It got respected there. If this does push, it's gone.
in these.
I'm up 325 for now. I'm still holding. I want to see this break. I want to see this break through here. And if it breaks and this starts pushing and goes for this break here, then I'm gonna try to hold for 306. If not, look, this is what happens. Look at NQ. Didn't like that no more. I just sent a 10 order to sell 10 market there. This is starting to give up lows. It's about to try to go for a lower low here. If you draw a line here, you can see a very small uptrend here that you could probably drone up. I'm out.
I'm basing
NQ's
out
really aggressive.
Look at this
I'm
pullback
out.
on
I'm out of that.
LPS just
I
dropped.
actually managed to sell for $160 profit. I, I didn't like what NQ was doing. That was part of my plan. I was hoping this was gonna break. It didn't. I was wrong. I still came out good, and I respected that that NQ wasn't going my way, and I did not want to be a part of a pullback. As you can see here, I do play this again, the 305, and it takes 10 minutes, so it didn't happen right away. So this is where patience is very important. You have to sit there and really wait for your entry to come back. So I'm gonna go ahead and fast forward here to 1724. I'll go ahead and talk about what's going on here. You see, NQ finally broke out, and Tesla did it. It was strong first, and NQ wasn't, and then all of a sudden it's just consolidating. It's not strong. It's weaker than NQ here. But as you can see here, this could be a possible bull flag here. And now we want to see there's a level of resistance here around the 304 area. So we'll see. We'll play it around here.
Got in.
I got my first entry at the 934 candle when it was going for that high of day break right there, and then rejected, and then that second candle turned red to green. That's when
Look at this candle here. Bullish engulfing here. Now we need this to actually be a bull flag here, and then break this. So we want more volume to start picking
I
up
got
here.
my second entry on that.
Look at
And then I
the
bought my
bid
last
get
one
aggressive
at,
here. I mean the
at
ask.
the 305 level.
Look how aggressive 304 went. Boom. Bid is over 304. I'm looking to get in with another 10 here. I like this as my early entry again, just because it makes sense to me. It makes sense that, okay, finally buyers are starting to step in, and I feel like my entry was pretty good. I mean, it could have been better. I waited to 304 and 15 cents. I should have played it right. It's okay. It's fine. It's a good entry. I'm happy with where I'm at. Like NQ's finally starting to push up with it also.
He's coming with it now, so this looks good now.
But Tesla's stronger.
Way stronger.
The only thing we were missing that last trade was NQ, so that's what I want to happen this trade if I want to take it again, is NQ pushing up this time as well.
We're down about 25 bucks for this play alone here. It's fine.
Volume.
So now what I want you to see is that volume's higher on this candle than the previous candles. Not only that, it's a complete bullish engulfing. This candle closed above 304. This candle also engulfed the previous candle here with the slightly more volume here on NQ. And now we want this to break here, this local high there. Look at that. Going for 305. Boom. There was a small wall there. Like nothing. It broke it. Now I had the momentum. It's gone. It's off to the races. NQ it broke out over here as well. And as you can see here, I'm up nicely for this play.
There you go. There you go.
Sold 5 limit.
Yeah, NQ push
Let's
with that.
freaking go, Frankie.
There you go.
Then I sold 5 market. When I sold 5 limit, I was gonna go ahead and do the other 5 at 306. I didn't. I'm okay. I'm up 788 for the day at the moment. I mean, I just didn't like how what it was acting, how it was acting before. It's a sick play already. Beautiful NQ was with it. My entry was was really good. But I mean that's pretty much what I did for those two plays. Like I said, I had two more plays. As you can see here, this is what I made for the day, Thursday, September 5th. For the day, I was 1,220 after commissions. You can see here the first play, 150. That was Tesla, 10 contracts, and then another 10 minutes later, another 10 contracts here for for a profit of 620, just about. And then after that, I was up nicely, as you can see here. Remember when I mentioned earlier in the video that I wanted to take 307 as a separate trade? I did. This is this one, and took it with the lighter size. Took it with the lighter size just because there's no need for me to risk that much anymore. Just because I'm already up nicely for the day. Why go in with the same size? Go ahead and scale size down. And this took me just under 1,000 for the day. And then I took one last play. 40 minutes later, I was just watching. I thought I was done by this point. It took about 40 minutes for it to happen, but it set up pretty good. It was a SPY, SPX or whatever, low a day. It had a from that it had a pretty sick move. It was pretty nice. I took a scalp on it. Could have held it a little longer, but um, that's what it was. Four trades for the day and 100% win rate. Hope y'all enjoyed this video. If there's anything else you want me to add to the video, please comment down in the section below. Thank you for watching.